Namaste, myself Goli Bhanusri. I live in Tata, Andhra Pradesh. Today I am here to share my experience with the Tata agency. Health insurance is very important because your health comes first. A recent incident just made my trust in them stronger. I had a tragic accident while I was driving. I broke my right leg. That moment was very emotional and horrifying. All I could think was about recovery, hospitalization. I felt a sigh of relief when I remembered my policy of health insurance. We called Tata AG. They reassured us that they would handle everything. They were so prompt, making claim process so hassle free, so that my treatment got done on time. I didn't even have to worry about all the expenses as I got complete claim for my treatment, inclusive of all post-hospitalization bills. Tata AG was there in this phase of my life. I'm very thankful. That's why I recommend everyone put their trust in Tata AG. They always deliver on their promise.